Where does quality come from? From the transcending raw materials, from the transforming technology, from the unique way of making solutions, or from the dreams that only people in love with their life and work can have. Quality comes from the people, the professionals who combine knowledge, strength, and then they can build Tuper, one of the largest steel-producing companies in Brazil. Tuper is a solid company. We are proud to offer excellent services and to be the leader in many fields. With a very modern facility in our industrial park, we have the largest productivity capacity in Latin America, efficient logistics network, and we offer a wide range of products. We work in important segments, such as automotive, civil construction, industry, agricultural, machinery, oil and gas, and others. The evolution of its products follows the market trends and meets the national and global demands. Its human capital is unique and committed, and therefore can provide the best service to you and your business.
É nosso compromisso diário garantir a alta qualidade dos nossos produtos e serviços, acelerando na direção certa, na plena satisfação dos nossos clientes.
We are solutions. We are Tuper. And this makes a difference. This is to go beyond. This is Tuper.